students. Hope you all are enjoying at home with family and watched both the videos that I have sent to you. Yes, have you watched? So what you learned in the first video? That there are some different games that we play at school and some different games that we can play at home. And in second video, what did you learn? We recognize importance of team spirit and fair play in game. We learned about the team spirit and fair play. Now, the third video, we will analyze the role of women in games. Okay, students? So, to begin this video, firstly, I want to ask you a question. I have written some game names. What games do you think women are fit to play? Students, all of your opinions and views may be different. Some of you may think that women can't play games like boxing or weightlifting. Some of you must be thinking the women should play the games like Ludo and chess. But some of you may be thinking that women can play all these games. Yes? Now let's open our volume sheet number 3 and look at the pictures and read the text. Okay? I will request you to open the volume sheet number 3 with this video. Students, there is one task for you. When I will read a text, you have to underline the names of the games and the name of the players. So let's start. See, in volume 3, 4 pictures are given. So the first picture, do you know who's she? She is a Mary Kom and she is a boxing champion. She plays a game boxing and she is 5-time world boxing champion. Okay. Second picture is of Saina Nehwal. She is a first Indian to win a medal in badminton at the Olympics. Okay. So have you underlined the word Mary Kom and Saina Nehwal and the games also? Okay. Now let's move to the third picture. Third picture is of Kamam Maleshwari. She is the national champion in weightlifting and she is a Olympic medal winner also. Okay, students. The fourth one is Dina Idulje. She is a famous cricketer. Okay. So we learned about the 4 women and they all are champions in their games. One is the champion in boxing, another is in badminton, third one in the weightlifting and the fourth one in the cricket. I hope you all have underlined these words. Now let's learn about some more women who are the champions in many games. See, all of them are women who have won many competitions in different games in India and abroad and make us proud. Students, should women play all types of games or just the one you read about? See, students, some games need a lot of physical strength and we may think that only men are physically strong than women. Sport persons like Mary Kom, Karnam Maleshwari have shown that even women can take part in games that need strength. Therefore, we can't say that women should not or they can't play different types of games. Both man and woman should be given the same chance in games. Students, imagine if one of these women was not allowed to play, we would not have come to know how good they are and how they can make our country proud. Yes, am I right? So I hope now that your opinions about what games women can play has changed now. You must be thinking that all the women can play all the games. Yes, if they show their strength to the best. Now let's read the topic from our content book, which is given on page number 29, Women in Games. Students, there are many women in India, yes, who have made us proud by winning medals in their games, both in the country and the abroad. Some of them are P.T. Usha for athletics, Mary Kom for boxing, Karnam Maleshwari for weightlifting, Saina Nehwal for badminton, Tanya Sachdev for chess, and Daina Idulji for cricket, and Anjali Bhagwat for shooting also. See, there are different types of games that I have played by the women also. I hope this topic is pretty clear to all of you. Now let's try to understand our volume sheet. Sheet number 3, which is given on page number 26. So the first question they are asking, tick the games that you think women can play. So student, after this explanation, what do you think? Which game women can play? See, I will not show the answer of this question. This is your opinion. After the video, what do you think the women can play which game? Then you can take the games according to your opinion. Okay? So move to the second question. Should women play games? Give 3 reasons for your answers. See, women should play the games. Yes, they should play the games because many women have proved to be winner. Many women have won the many games. People like Mary Kom have shown that women can have physical strength. They also have physical strength. That's why they can play these games. And many women have made us proud. See, if these women can make our country proud, then we can also make our country proud. Yes, we can make them our inspiration and we can also make our country proud like them. Now, our third question. How can school help the girls who are good at sports? See, it is also very easy. School can give them proper training, those who are good in sports, and chance to participate in sports competition so that they can show their talent to everyone. Okay students, so this is all about today's topic. I hope this is pretty clear to all of you. Now if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. And yes, now this is time for your homework. Your homework is you have to read this content from your book, which is given on page number 29, and complete your volume sheet number 3, which is given on page number 26. Thank you students and have a nice day.